We are pleased to show you the 2025 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Immerse yourself in pure bliss